Will a patent help me sell my idea? Please watch this video and find out. Okay, will a patent help me sell or license my idea to a company? I'm here to tell you, in most situations, it can help. Yes, it's a big benefit because a lot of companies think they want a patent. But the reality is, they're not going to defend your patent in federal court, and your product probably has a fairly short lifespan. So do you need to have a patent to license your idea? No, you don't. It can help, but that's pretty darn expensive. What you do need is to file a provisional patent application that truly has value. And I talk a lot about that. And what I mean by value, you do it in such a way that when they read it, they understand it, and you have covered the workarounds, variations, maybe part of the manufacturing. You've done so much work and so much of the details so you actually can implement it. Most applications, in my opinion, are not done this way. I think they're a little weak. They're not selling tools. I do believe more than just having a patent to try to license an idea. I think you can do this very easily with a well-written provisional patent application that truly has value, and design it and write it in such a way it's a selling tool, not so much a protection tool, but it helps you license your idea to a company because you've covered all the details they want to see. You've done your homework, and only you can do this homework. If you're going to expect a patent attorney or a patent agent to do the level of homework that's required for you to do it in such a way they're going to love what you've done, I don't think so. Only you can do this type of work. Now realize, if you can gather all this information up and you give it to your patent attorney or your patent agent, they're going to do a great job. But to think that they're going to do this level of detail that you really need to do, I don't think so. Now, let's talk about the level of detail here for just a minute. Most of us don't have any manufacturing knowledge. Most of us are probably not engineers. Most of us probably don't know how our product's going to be manufactured. Most of us probably don't even know what material it's going to be made out of. So if you don't, this is what I do. I find people that do. That's right. I find people that know more about how to manufacture it, materials can be used, all those levels of details that are really important to put in a provisional patent application for it to have value. And I find those experts on LinkedIn. That's right, I reach out to ex-employees or people that are retired in certain fields that I'm interested in and details that I need to put in my provisional patent application, and I hire them for a couple hours to tell me exactly how my invention, my product can be manufactured the most efficient way using current equipment. I will also ask them, could you please provide me with different variations of workarounds so no one can work around my invention? That's why I do believe when you start to add that level of detail to your provisional patent application, that's what you need to get a licensing deal, not necessarily a patent. So do you need a patent to license an idea? Not really. Could it be helpful? Of course it could be helpful. But I think your knowledge on your invention is probably even more important. I also believe that if you, like I said, write a provisional patent application in such a way that it's just amazing, that's going to have more value. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to keep on supplying you with some great information so you can get in the game of licensing your ideas. If you're not sure about this and you need a little help, please give us a call. We have a program called Gateway where we do everything for you. We know how to reach out to the right companies. We know how to reach out to the right people. We know how to make sure your marketing material is communicating correctly so they can look at it, they can make good decisions. We know what questions they're going to ask, and we can be prepared for those questions in advance. And when that licensing agreement comes over, we can help make sure it's a fair and balanced licensing agreement so everybody's happy. Basically, we're doing all the work for you. It's our program called Gateway, and if you need help on any of this, please pick up the phone, call us, and let's see if Gateway is right for you.